So I'm just gonna play, watching my eyes go away, Dr. Play, watching my eyes go away, Dr. Play, watching my eyes go away.
Welcome back, my YouTube family. Guys, we are back with yet another one. And today I'm coming to you guys with dragon fruit wine. The type that we have before us right here is the white fruit variety. And the inside is white with little black seeds. Like as always, guys, I'm gonna give you some information about it up in this video, so you know we'll get to all of that. But this is also another fruit that I wanted to work on, and I wanted to do this one, guys, because man, the flavor profile on this is so good. I can't describe the taste. If I could find, well, not if I can find, I'm pretty sure I can find details on how this tastes, but it's really good. It has a nice sweet flavor to it. It has a nice texture to it. You eat the pulp and the inside of the fruit. But I mean, guys, this one is delicious. So if you see these up in the store, pick them up. Just eat them. Like with anything, I'm pretty sure it's good for you. They have a lot of good vitamins and nutrients and all that other stuff. So if you see it in the store, pick it up. But I'm not gonna lie and say it's not expensive. I think I paid $7.98 per a pound, and I have 3 pounds here. So this one could be an expensive one if you get the fresh fruits. But you can also use the frozen fruits. I don't think the frozen fruit is as expensive as the fresh fruits, but the frozen fruits will work just fine, guys. But anyway, I'm not gonna rabble and babble and rant on about this wine, because this is another one that's simple to do, and we'll get right into it. So our ingredients today, like I said, we are using 3 pounds of our dragon fruit. We are using 1 pound of white sugar. We are using raw cane sugar today, guys. Like I said, if you check out some of the other videos, I explained to you about using different sugars, honey, and all that other kind of stuff. It imparts flavor to your wine some way, somehow. It imparts flavor. So don't think you have to be stuck on using just white sugar to get your ABV up, because other sugars add a little flavor to your wine. So that's what I want to do here. We're also using 1 ounce of lemon juice that we have here. Now this is more than 1 ounce, but I just have the bottle out just to show you the lemon juice. We're using Earl Grey black tea, and we're going to use 1 bag of that. That's for our tannin. And as I said as always, also in the back we have our 1 gallon of water. And I know I do it to myself all the time. I'm gonna have the yeast up in the video, so you guys gonna see the yeast. If there ain't one thing I'm missing, there's another. But anyway, I'm gonna have the yeast, and we're gonna be using 1/4 uh, teaspoon of yeast. And as always, we have the usual suspects. I don't have my bone and my airlock, but that's going to be put up in there. But some of the usual suspects for the equipment, tools, whatever you want to say, that we'll be using. The pot is over there. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get to this process and get it started.